Savor the flavor, the unbeatable benefits of homemade mushroom pizza. Imagine your kitchen filled with the aroma of freshly baked mushroom pizza. It's not just any pizza, it's a healthier choice. Homemade mushroom pizza packs a nutritious punch, combining the goodness of whole grains, fresh mushrooms, and your choice of toppings. Unlike store-bought options, making pizza at home allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring a meal free from preservatives. The star ingredient, mushrooms, are low in calories yet high in fiber and protein, supporting weight management and muscle health. Creating this delicious masterpiece at home fosters a sense of accomplishment and can be a fun activity for families to bond over. Moreover, the versatility of mushrooms lets you experiment with various types, each adding a unique flavor and texture to your pizza. Embrace the joy of cooking and the health benefits that come with our homemade mushroom pizza recipe. Let's make pizza night special. Get recipe in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.